goes moo in the field so wide. The pig says oink with a happy stride. The sheep says baa as it grazes near. Animal sounds are fun to hear. Listen close, can you hear? Animal sounds, loud and clear. Moo, oink, baa, and neigh. Let's make animal sounds today. The horse goes neigh as it runs so fast. The duck says quack while swimming past. The dog says woof in the yard so bright. Animal sounds from morning to night. Listen close, can you hear? Animal sounds, loud and clear. Moo, oink, baa, and neigh. Let's make animal sounds today. The cat goes meow when it's time to play. The frog says ribbit by the pond all day. The bird says tweet up in the tree. Animal sounds are fun, you see. Listen close, can you hear? Animal sounds, loud and clear. Meow, ribbit, tweet and bark. Let's make animal sounds in the park. The lion goes roar in the jungle deep. The owl says hoot while the world's asleep. The monkey says ee as it swings so high. Animal sounds fill the sky. Listen close, can you hear? Animal sounds, loud and clear.